Hello, I'm Avery Holton, Chair of the Department of Communication at the University of Utah, and I want to share some exciting news with you. This fall, we'll be launching a Master's in Communication program at the University of Utah Asia campus. We already have a highly successful undergraduate communication program at our Asia campus, and we are thrilled to add the graduate program in Korea for students to continue exploring the field of communication. This program is a good fit for current and prospective public relations, advertising, and communication professionals seeking a U.S. degree while living and learning in South Korea. So if you're looking for a vibrant community of study, I hope you will consider joining this program. Click the link below to learn more, and go U Asia Campus.